Welcome to the second weekly Bonhata COVID-19 update. Every week at 4 p.m. we will update you on the latest COVID-19 status and other related issues. We still receive lots of questions from our members, and with these weekly updates we hope to keep you informed of the latest news and to stay in touch with you in these challenging times. Last week we informed you about the first case of COVID-19 on Bonaire. It now turns out this is actually a couple, so we have 2 confirmed infections. Both are doing well. There was also a suspected case, a hospital patient with pneumonia and other COVID-19-like symptoms. This patient tested negative on numerous occasions, so he is not considered a COVID-19 infection. Since the couple is still considered an isolated case, no lockdown has been ordered. Last Friday, a group of 44 residents and medical staff arrived by plane. All these people have since been in a 14-day quarantine. According to our latest information, SZW has received requests for support for over 2,300 employees. We are getting feedback from our members that payments are also arriving in the business bank accounts, so it looks like the support package is in full swing. If you still have questions or if you are not receiving payments, you can always contact the Chamber of Commerce support desk or the Bonhata office for assistance. Yesterday we received the long-awaited news that Bonaire now also has an additional support package for entrepreneurs. There was already a limited salary support for entrepreneurs for a maximum of $761 per person. Now an additional support package consisting of a one-time gift of $4,400 is in place to support you in being able to pay for your fixed costs. The administration of this package will be done by SZW. All businesses can apply for this package. It doesn't matter which type of legal entity nor which sector you are in. When do you qualify for this package? You are an active business known to the tax authority on Bonaire with a dedicated business address or facility. You have a loss of revenue over the 3-month period of a minimum of $4,400, and you have fixed costs over the 3-month period of a minimum of $4,400, excluding your taxes and salary costs. Which fixed costs qualify for this? Your mortgage, rent and loan payments, even if your bank or landlord has deferred these payments, your web, Celibon, insurance costs and the cost of your company cars. There's also costs that do not qualify as fixed costs for this arrangement, such as salaries, employer premiums and taxes. If you have less than $4,400 in fixed costs, you do not qualify for the arrangement, not even for a lower amount than $4,400. If you have multiple businesses, you can apply for each business separately as long as each separate business qualifies for the arrangement on its own. It is not allowed to apply for multiple locations of the same legal entity. Just to be clear, this new arrangement is additional to the already existing support arrangements. You can apply for all arrangements. The application form is online as we speak on the RCN website, and filled out forms can be emailed to the email address you see behind me on the screen. Do you have questions or do you need help? The Bonhata office staff is happy to help out. You can reach them via 717-5134 or via email on info@bonhata.org. The staff and board of Bonhata are ready to serve you wherever possible. We are working day and night to represent your interests as best we can. We are meeting with our local government agencies, other stakeholders, ministries from The Hague and our island leaders on a very regular basis. Our goal is to mitigate the negative results of this crisis for our members as well as we can, and where possible look for opportunities and improvements. Not just for now, but also for the future. We urge you to stay informed and to keep following our weekly updates. See you next week.